Good morning, everybody. We are in the subject Business Research Methods for Management BBM students. We are in the first chapter, session 4. The topic of today is the meaning and basis of scientific research method. We are in the chapter Introduction, that is the first chapter. So, today we are going to study about what is scientific research method. Science is the study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world. This study is conducted in a systematic manner, especially through observation and experiment. The results of science are always developed from observation and experiments. They are having a proven cause and effect relationship. They are tested and can be retested under any given situation, and they hold a universally true or a common principle. So what is scientific research? So scientific research is the systematic investigation of scientific theories and hypotheses. So scientific research builds on understanding derived from the objective of testing of models and theories. So accumulation of scientific knowledge is done, and it is developed and improved through critical contested findings, replication and convergence. Scientific knowledge is always developed through sustained efforts and guided by fundamental principles. Research is a scientific endeavor. It involves scientific method. The scientific method is a systematic step-by-step procedure following a logical process of reasoning. So scientific method is a means of gaining knowledge of the universe. So as Carl Pearson said, scientific method is one and the same in all branches, and this method is utilized by every trained mind which uses logical reasoning. The unity of all sciences consists not in their method but and not only in their material. The man who classifies the facts can be related to any field. It is not the facts themselves which make science, but the method by which they are dealt with. The scientific method does not refer to a field or specific subject of matter, but rather to a procedure or to a method or mode of investigation. So it is an objective, logical and systematic method of analysis of phenomena. It is devised to permit the accumulation of reliable knowledge. It is a systematic form of analysis, and it is characterized by an intellectual attitude. According to Kothari, the ideal of science is to achieve a systematic interrelation of facts. Scientific method attempts to achieve this ideal by experimentation, observation, logical arguments from accepted postulates or principles, and a combination of all these three in varying proportion, that is experimentation, observation and logical or critical arguments based on principles. So scientific method is searching for the truth about any business phenomena. So here, what are the step-by-step processes? 1. Defining a business opportunity or problem. So you can be proactive or you can be reactive. So for any hypothetical problem which may or may not arise, you can beforehand form a solution, or after the problem has risen, you can go in for finding out what the solution is. For this, you have to find out what your problem is. You have to study the existing theories and find out where the interlinking of each theory, a critical analysis must be made. Find out where your research gap is, where the need for research is, and that would become your research problem. So next you go in for generating and evaluating ideas. Monitor performance and understand the business process. The scientific method is based on certain basic postulates or principles, which are: 1. Research relies on empirical evidence. 2. It utilizes relevant concept, that is, the cause and effect relationship must be proven. It is based on objective facts and consideration. It presupposes ethical neutrality, that is, it aims at making only accurate and correct statements about population objects taken for study. Next, it results in probabilistic predictions. Scientific research methodology is made known to all concerned for critical scrutiny and for use in testing the conclusions through replication in any given situation. And lastly, it aims at formulating scientific theories. So, the features of scientific research basically is, it's the basic feature or the primary goal is to the pursuit of truth determined by logical consideration. The other basic features are: 1. There must be purposiveness, there must be a purpose. 2. Objectivity, that is scientific facts and figures. 3. Replicability, that is it must be tried and tested and must give you the required result in any given situation. There must be reliability, that is the cause and effect relationship must be validated. There must be validity, that is it must be relevant to the study. And there must be rigor, that is there must be work conducted, critical work conducted, testability and generality. So scientific method follows a logical reasoning process, objective procedure and a systematic method. A method without personal bias or prejudice to ascertain qualities of a phenomena that is capable of being verified. The investigation proceeds in an orderly manner, and this scientific method implies internal consistency. Thank you.